saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me, baby, go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would take you through my day with me. I don't have a ton going on, but I figured I'd do a day in the life. So it is currently 10:28 a.m. I'm getting a very late start to this video, but this morning has been somewhat chaotic. My son is teething, and so if you're a mom, you know how that goes. So I'm going to try to get in a quick workout really quick before he wakes up. But let me just check the monitor just in case, because okay, so it looks like he's asleep, so I'm going to go ahead and get in a workout. I think today is arm day, so I'm going to do that, and then we will get into the rest of the day. Okay, well, I'm done, and my arms are jelly. Hello. My kids are down for a nap. We went outside, played for a little bit after lunch, and it was a little bit chilly. I thought today was supposed to be in the 70s, but I think it's only, I don't know, 63, which that is warmer compared to what it's been, but it's cloudy, and it's also really windy, so it doesn't feel as warm. So anyways, they went down for a nap, and I've just been like sitting here on my phone. And I was thinking about putting on some makeup and doing my hair. That is my heater. It's very loud. But I was thinking about doing my hair and putting on some makeup, but I'm actually, I don't know. I might do my hair, but I'm actually really tired. So I'm thinking about just chilling. And yeah. Whenever I look at my phone too much, I don't know if anyone else does this, but whenever I like look at my phone for a long period of time, my eyes just get really tired, and that's how I'm feeling right now. So I think I'm just gonna chill. I need to do my devotional. I can show you guys which one that I'm doing, and I also need to get back into my Bible study because I've taken a couple days off, but let me show you. This is the devotional book that I'm doing. It's called 100 Days of Believing Bigger by Marshawn Evans Daniels, and I just got it from Amazon, so I can link this one down below. I really, really like it. It's just every day there's like a thing to read, and then you will like write down answering questions or whatever it is. So I love this. And then I recently started a Bible study from Daily Grace Co. And my friend Katie told me about Daily Grace, and I've just really been like digging more into my faith, into the Word, and just applying these things to my life. So right now I'm reading The Mercy in the Storm, which is a book on Jonah, and these Bible studies are just super pretty. It's kind of hard to tell just because of the lighting, but they're super pretty and super like high quality, and actually these are really affordable. I think I spent like $7 on this, and then I also have another one, but it's been a couple days since I've done this, so I really need to get back into it. But yeah, so I'm going to do this while my kids should be napping. I just can't with myself. I finished my devotional and my Bible study, and I am feeling so blah. There's always something that I should be doing, I could be doing, but right now I don't want to do anything. I just cannot keep looking at the fact that I look a hot mess. But not every day do I get dressed up. So anyways, I need to drink this water. I am super behind on my water. Ever since my 75 soft challenge has ended, I have not kept up on my water, and it's because I'm not using a water bottle, like a cute water bottle. When I have a cute water bottle, I'm like super intentional about it. I get it done. But when I just use this, I lose track. So I'm gonna drink this water, and then I'm gonna make a decaf coffee. So here's your daily reminder to drink your water. So yeah, I'm gonna make a decaf iced coffee, and you're probably wondering, if you're tired, why do you need decaf, or why are you gonna drink a decaf? Oh my gosh, I can never get this lighting right because it's like different all throughout my house. So I am actually drinking decaf because I actually am trying to cut down on my caffeine consumption. I'm using some supplements now that are helping my body fill in its nutritional gaps, and also it also helps with energy levels and things of that sort. There's caffeine in it, but the caffeine that I'm getting from that is from green tea, and so it's a lot cleaner. And before I was using these supplements, I was actually having like 3 coffees a day plus pre-workout, and honestly that's just not healthy. At least in my opinion, it doesn't seem healthy. I'm not a medical professional, I'm not a doctor, but it doesn't seem too healthy. And I honestly, when I was doing all those things, I was still feeling exhausted. I started to think like maybe my thyroid was off or something. I mean, I'm 8 months postpartum, so I just wasn't sure. But ever since I've been using these products again, I really noticed how much better I feel. I am a little tired today, but that's because I did not use all my supplements. I only took 2 just because I'm running out and I kind of have to wait for them to come in the mail. But yeah, why? What the heck? Sorry, I'm squirrel brain and I cannot stay focused. But anyways, that is why. I could make a caffeinated coffee today, but when I just drink a lot of caffeine, I just don't feel well. So I'm gonna make decaf. I love the taste of coffee. And man, it is dark in here. Let me turn on the light. It's still so dark because it's dark back there. So yeah, that is my little spiel on the caffeinated thing. Caffeinated coffee thing, my gosh. And I'm trying to keep it down a little bit too because I feel like my kids wake up with the littlest amount of sound, which they probably can't hear me because there's sound machines. But anyways, I'm looking at my fiddle leaf fig right now, and it is, I feel like this was doing well, and I need to clean the leaves if you guys care. But I have been kind of moving this guy around, and I don't think that it likes that. And now the bottom, the edge of these leaves look brown. It doesn't need to be watered, but I have a black thumb. Like any plant that I've ever had, black thumb, they don't last. This guy I've had since, January, and it is almost April, and he is still alive. But I'm trying to keep him in a good spot, which I think is over here in my kitchen, but I don't know. I'm not a plant goddess, but I do know that I need to clean these leaves because they're looking a little dusty. So if you guys have any tips for the fiddle leaf fig tree, let me know. It seems so dark. But yeah, I feel like he's grown quite a bit since I've had him. I feel like he was maybe like up to here when I got him. You can't tell because if you look at him every day, but I think he's grown, so that's exciting. Anyways, I'm just ranting on, but I'm gonna make a coffee. So now I'm gonna make a little cold foam. So basically I'm just gonna put some of my creamer, the milk. I know they come for me saying that I shouldn't be putting the syrup in there. It is what it is, just let me live. Okay, so it's been a couple of hours and it is 4:30, so I'm getting ready to prep dinner. So tonight I'm going to be making Italian chicken pasta, and it's actually funny because in my last cooking video I mentioned about low carb. Well, I'm actually not eating low carb today, so just disregard. But I am going to be making Italian chicken pasta, and I first heard about this recipe through Jessica O'Donoghue. I will link her channel below. But she shares amazing recipes all the time, and I found her about a year ago, and I swear I binged like all of her videos because they're so amazing. She does like the best recipes, and her husband are the cutest. So I love them. You should follow them, and I'll link them below like I said. But yeah, I'm going to be making Italian chicken pasta once again, and it is hands down one of my top favorite pasta recipes, so we're going to be doing that. I typically would do like a crock pot slow cooker when it comes to this, but I have been so busy today and I wasn't sure if I was going to make that, so I'm just going to use the Instant Pot, and that hopefully should be fine. So I'm going to walk you through how to make it. I like this angle because I feel like you can never really see too much, but it's just the way my house is set up. It's kind of awkward. Also, let me zoom out. Do dishes because they are all over the place. Hold on. Trying to make dinner with 2 kids awake. Honestly, it's for the birds. So, it's a super simple recipe. So what I'm going to do is spray my Instant Pot pan, and then I'm going to lay probably 2 chicken breasts in the pot, and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, so don't mind my sink. I need to do dishes. I usually do them before I even make dinner just because of my OCD. But everything that you're going to need for this recipe is chicken breasts. You'll need some cream cheese, approximately about 8 ounces, but I only have 2 halves, so that'll work. And then you're going to need some Olive Garden dressing. This stuff is amazing. I love Olive Garden. I probably won't use all of this though, maybe like, I don't know, a half. I'll show you whatever it is though. And then you'll need some pasta. I prefer rotini with this. A little bit of Parmesan cheese, and then some black pepper. So I'm just gonna spray down my bottom of my Instant Pot pan just because everything sticks. And then I'm probably going to put in 2 chicken breasts. These look pretty big. So we'll just see. I'm going to show you guys raw chicken because that's gross. So okay, and so now I keep trying to think, do I put the cream cheese first, or do I do the dressing? I feel like I do the cream cheese. So I'm going to put my cream cheese blocks on top. of the chicken. I'm gonna have to wash my hands again. Okay. I'm trying to figure out if this lighting is too bright. I feel like my lighting is just everywhere. So now I'm going to put in some of this dressing. Okay. It's hard to tell where it's at. It's like right here. So maybe about 3/4 of the bottle. I did buy a big bottle, but I was in a hurry, so it didn't really matter to me. All right, so now I'm gonna do just a sprinkle of parm. It doesn't really matter. If you like Parmesan, do more. I just do whatever. I don't really care that much. And then we're gonna do a sprinkle of black pepper. That is it. So now, I'm gonna turn that on and we're gonna pressure cook. So let me just cook this for, I'm gonna do poultry and I'm gonna cook it for 20 minutes and see where we're at. Okay, so it looks like it's done. I'm gonna go ahead, take the chicken out, shred it, stick it back in there, and the noodles look like they're almost done too. Okay, so now I'm just gonna mix everything together. The cream cheese and salad dressing mix with the chicken. Just wanna mix everything together until everything comes together pretty much. So I'm gonna add a little bit more Parmesan. Whoa! So you're just gonna have like this mixture. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just stick the pasta in there. That was a lot of pasta. It'll work, but like all the sauce is pretty much disintegrated into the noodles. I don't know. It is what it is. Whatever. Alright. Well, this may or may not have been a fail, but if you guys like these type of videos, please let me know down below. I'm going to go ahead and close out this video so I can get Ivy dinner, and I'm probably going to try to give Luca some of this. We'll see. I'm not too sure. And I'm going to eat as well. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Ain't that to change your mind.